Hey guys, so I just wanted to share one quick teaser tip, mostly because it's very appealing and maybe get your brain stimulated about what the survey is all about. But I worked with about three different independent break fix folks who mentioned they've brought 3D printing into their shops and they're seeing a whole different set of hobbyists, families, all different sorts of people are getting involved. And parents want their children involved in tech and more of a creative tech rather than melting their brains with, let's just say, garbage. Some of these folks have actually put ads in their church newsletters or on Facebook or the local newspaper. Just trying to get a little feel out there, a little bit more about what other guys are offering. But I thought this was a great way to get the family into the shop. Maybe dad and son can build some stuff together, possibly purchase a 3D printer, accessories, or even upgrade a laptop or even a desktop to pair with it. Just some great ways to get your kids interactive and a little bit more creative. Looking to possibly add these tips and tricks weekly if I keep receiving them like I did, but I appreciate your time. Thank you.